This is the Autumn Oaks Drive Road crossing, located on the CP Paynesville Sub in Rockford, Minnesota. Here we have two different gated signals from slightly different generations. They each have LED lights and one E-bell. So now if you're looking south, you'll hear the northern signal. By the way, I might be seeing the holiday train go past this crossing, so I didn't post any videos on YouTube on this crossing yet, but by the way, this crossing used to have a Safetran Mechanical Bell, but instead of a Safetran Mechanical Bell on this crossing, the signal was replaced, but it got replaced by a GSE bell up there. If I were looking at Google Maps, it would still have a Safetran Mechanical Bell though, since I probably know, but this has a GSE bell, mostly type 3. Got 12 by 24 inch GE uniform LEDs and Safetran frames. Here's the dot tag, dot number 695 496E. Got a Siemens, single-sided Siemens base. This has a Siemens gate mechanism with the Imprinted logo. Side view of these lights with a Safetran Junction Box. Back view of lights. The gate here has newer striping with 4-inch RECO gate lights, mostly LED. And back view of the northern signal, I'm sorry. I'm just losing my mind here. Here's a rear bundle in the southwest quadrant. Track view looking west towards Buffalo, Annandale, Watkins, Paynesville, and eventually towards Glenwood. And track view looking east towards Loretto, Plymouth, and Minneapolis. For some reason, I'm gonna have to say about this crossing, I think this was the last mechanical bell remaining in Rockford, because now there is no more mechanical bells inside this town anymore, which is kind of a sad sight. But I'm a little disappointed about this crossing anyway, but this might be a little disappointment about this crossing without a Safetran Mechanical Bell. Now, I filmed it once, but I didn't post it on YouTube anyway, so it's a big sad feeling about that. I'm gonna have to say, my mom and I might have saw this crossing, but I'm gonna say the gates were rising a little slowly when it was older. I swear that one on the left is probably gonna go up faster than that one, because that signal is a little original. That signal to the right is still original. I have no idea why they decided to only replace that signal. What the hell, CP? I'm so sad about this. Anyways, here's an overview now. Looking north, you look here, the southern signal. It's kind of disappointing that I didn't post any videos of the Safetran Mechanical Bell working on this crossing. I'm very sad about that. So I believe there's probably not going to be any mechanical bells on this crossing no more anyway. So instead of GE uniform LEDs on this 12 by 24 inch light, we got Harmon fading LEDs and Safetran frames. Here's the dot tag. This has a single-sided Safetran base. Whoa, you're tripping over the snow here. And it has a Safetran gate mechanism right here. Side view lights with a Safetran junction box. I'm a little disappointed how this crossing didn't just had its last mechanical bell here. This was the last crossing to have a mechanical bell, but now it's been replaced by some sort of E-bell. I probably would say it's probably the GS E-bell. Must be a GS Type 3 on this one. Back view of lights. Gate here has the newest driving with 4-inch RECO gate lights, mostly LED. And back view of the southern signal. So again, this really sucks that there's no more mechanical bells here. Some other YouTuber had seen the crossing with a mechanical bell here before, but while chasing a grain train, but long time ago. But I think the bell got replaced recently and the signal got replaced recently. So anyways, this has been the Autumn Oaks driver crossing. So I'm gonna have to say this before I pause about the video. So no more mechanical bells in Rockford. Rest in peace. Safetran Mechanical Bell on this crossing.